Hi, we are doing logarithm. The question is find x. X minus log 48 plus 3 log 2 is equal to 1 by 3 log 125 minus log 3. The same sum can be done using 3 ways. So let's see one way, that is x की जगह we will write x only minus log 48. So we will factorize 48. So when you factorize 48, this is how you factorize 48, right? So this is 2 raised to the power 4 into 3. So we will write log 48 को 2 raised to the power 4 into 3. Right? This will be inside the bracket plus 3 log 2. Now again it is 1 by 3 log 125. Now we know that if it is n log a, what it turns out to be? It turns out log a raised to the power n. The n which is multiplied by log a goes as a power to the log. So this can be written as log 125 raised to the power 1 by 3 minus log 3. Now it is x minus log a into b. Again, what is log a into b? It is log a plus log b. So this will become log 2 raised to the power 4 plus log 3. Fine. Plus 3 log 2 is equal to log 125 raised to the power 1 by 3. 125 can be written as log 5 raised to the power 3 into 1 by 3 minus log 3, or you can find the cube root of 125 straight away. Your choice. Right? This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So this becomes x minus 4 log 2. Again, this rule we will follow, that if it is log a raised to the power n, it becomes n log a. So 4 will come in front of log 2 plus 3 log 2, plus log 3 plus 3 log 2 is equal to log 5 minus log 3. Now it is x, will open the bracket, it becomes minus 4 log 2 minus log 3 plus minus minus, we know this, plus 3 log 2 is equal to log 5 minus log 3. Right? Now what we will do, we will try to solve the similar logs. So that is 4 log 2 plus 3 log 2 can be solved together. So 4 log 2 and minus 4 log 2 plus 3 log 2. So plus minus becomes minus. So 4 log 2 में से 3 log 2 will get minus. So it will become only 1 log 2 and 4 log 2 will be greater because 4 is bigger. So minus sign. This we are following the rules of integers is equal to log 5 minus log 3. Now we'll get all the logs on one side of the equation. So leaving x, we take the logs to the other side. Log 5 minus log 3 is already there. Minus 2 log 2 comes here, becomes plus log 2. Minus 3 log 2 comes here, plus log 3. Right? Now x is equal to minus log 3 plus log 3. So plus minus minus. So this log 3 and this log 3 gets cancelled. So it will become log 5 plus log 2. Again we are following the rule of log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Fine. We know that log a plus log b is log, the logs get multiplied. So this can be written as log 5 into 2, right? X is equal to log 10. Fine. Now if there is no base, that means the base is 10. And we know that any log with the similar base, the value is always 1. So here it is log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So what is the value of x? So x turns out to be 1. So if the base, we have to remember here, if the bases and the logs are same, the value turns out 1 of that log. So it is log 10 to the base 10. If there is no base, it means the base is 10. So remember this.